Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we are providing you with a step-by-step guide we can follow up to set up a Chase bank direct deposit using the PDF form that we have downloaded. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. So you will need certain information for that, such as Chase account number, routing number or type of account, and your employer's info. So you can open up the PDF that you have downloaded, open it up, and it should be in this form right here. After that, you need to complete all the required fields very carefully, such as your personal information starting with your name itself, provided up. Right below it, your address, and then your city, your state, and your zip code. After that, as I said earlier, you need to provide in your account info, such as your checking account number, your money market account number, etc., and your bank's routing number as well. And after that is done, you can authorize yourself and provide in with your digital signature and your date and make sure that the numbers are very correct. Mistakes can delay your deposit. And once it is done, you can click on download and confirm it up and submit to your employer. You can hand it to your HR or your payroll department or upload or fax it according to your employer's instructions. And direct deposit setup usually takes 1 to 2 pay cycles. Your employer may confirm when it's active. And after the first deposit, you can log in into the Chase online account and check your account to ensure the deposit went through. And that's it. It's super easy. You just need to follow this method. So we hope this video was helpful to you. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.